Welcome back, viewers. Today I want to share a very amazing AI tool for image generation, better than Midjourney. Open this website called Leonardo AI. First, you need to sign up to get access. But I'm already a user, so I just need to launch the app. As you can see, this interface is better than Midjourney's. There are so many models. Let's try this Luna model. To use the model, follow the steps. Here are some of my work. If you are wondering whether it is free or not, yes, it is free. You get 150 credits every day. If you want, you can buy some plans. Okay, let's generate something amazing. I want a baby dinosaur climbing on a tree branch. With blue, red, and purple theme, like science fiction films. To get better results, turn on the prompt magic. It will take some extra credits, or you can use negative prompt to get what you want. After selecting the right options, click on Generate to start the work. Wait for the results. As I expected, this feels like science fiction action movie. You can see this has amazing details, and we are not getting any cursed results. Let's try this model. This model works amazing for portraits. It is called RPG 4.0. This is the one I was looking for. Beautiful. As you can see, this AI tool is amazing. You can try out other models as well. There are more tools in homepage. Try them out as well. I hope you found this video helpful. I will upload more videos like this, so like, subscribe, and comment what you think. See you in the next video. Bye.